So we are going to discuss the topic regular expression. So we have a module RE in Python, inbuilt module. You can see that import RE to check for the string containing a specific search pattern or not. Look at this simple example. Import RE. So we have the string the rain in Spain. I am searching for some condition. Look at the pattern. Look at the symbols what we have. Look at this program. Check if the string starts with THE and ends with Spain. So look at that re.search starts with THE and ends with Spain. Look at the notation, the symbols what we used. If it is found means if X is true, then we have a match, else no match. So you run this, you get we have a match as the string is available in the concerned txt. So we have various functions in this. We have find all, returns a list containing all the matches, and search returns a match object if there is a match anywhere in the string. Split returns a list where the string has been split at each match, and we have sub replaces one or more matches with the string. So we use meta characters, the characters with a special meaning, the symbols we use in the program what we discussed just now. So if you put square bracket set of characters, look at the double quotations A to M and slash dot for any character. Look at that example, HE dot dot O, and that symbol is for starts with, and the dollar symbol is for ends with, and the star is for 0 or more occurrences of any particular character. So plus is for 1 or more occurrences, and question mark is for 0 or 1 occurrences, and braces exactly the specified number of occurrences. So you need to give some numerical value, and either or, and capture and group. We'll be discussing all these things one by one. So look at this program. So we have txt re dot find all A to M. You are finding all lowercase characters alphabetically between A and M in the concerned text. So the string is the rain in Spain. So look at this program. Find all digit occurrences, all digit characters. If I use slash D, this program searches for a sequence that starts with HE followed by 2 characters. Look at the dot dot, any 2 characters, and an O. So HE dot dot O. So look at the output, you get hello. This program is checked if the string starts with hello or not using find all. So what is the symbol for this? This is a symbol we use it whether the string starts with hello or not. And check if the string ends with planet. Look at the dollar symbol. So we use different notations for different search patterns. We can use all the search patterns together. Search for a sequence that starts with HE. Look at that dot star. It means followed by 0 or more characters and ends with O. So look at this. That star means 0 or more occurrences, plus means 1 or more occurrences, question mark is 0 or 1 occurrences, and braces is exactly the specified number of occurrences. Look at the dot braces. Within braces we have 2. So search for a sequence that starts with HE followed by 2 characters. So look at the symbol within double quotations, false, FALLS, or STAYS. Check if the string contains either FALLS or STAYS. If it is true, you get a message, yes, there is at least one match. If it is not available, no match. So I have some special sequences. Any special sequence is a slash followed by one of the characters in the list. Look at the slash capital A. Returns a match if the specified characters are at the beginning of the string. So slash B returns a match where the specified characters are at the beginning or at the end of a word. So look at that R in the beginning is making sure that the string is being treated as a raw string. The notation R and slash capital B returns a match whether the specified character are present but not at the beginning or at the end of a word. So we have slash D returns a match where the string contains digits, numbers from 0 to 9, and slash capital D returns a match where the string does not contain digits. Slash S, the string contains a white space character. Capital S does not contain a white space character. Slash W, the string contains any word characters from A to Z, digits from 0 to 9, and the underscore character. Capital W does not contain any word characters, and capital Z returns a match if the specified characters are at the end of the string. So look at this program clearly. If I put slash capital A followed by any string, here it is THE, check if the string starts with THE or not. Let's look at this slash B concept here and check if AIN is present at the beginning of the word or not. So we have slash W returns a match at every word character, characters from A to Z and digits from 0 to 9, and the underscore character. Now we have sets. A set is a set of characters inside a pair of square brackets with a special meaning. Look at that first example. within square brackets A, R, N returns a match where one of the specified character, either A, R, or N is present. Second one, A to N returns a match for any lowercase character alphabetically between A and N, range. The third one, for any character except A, R, N, and 0, 1, 2, 3, a specified digit 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, and 0 to 9, the range from 0 to 9, any digit between 0 and 9. Look at that, 0509 returns a match for any two-digit numbers from 00 and 59. The next one returns a match for any character alphabetically between A and Z, lowercase or uppercase. The plus insets, the plus, multiplication, dot, brackets, dollar, braces has no special meaning. So plus means returns a match for any plus character in the string. So look at this program, check if the string has other occurrences than A, R, N, other than A, R, or N. So look at the output.